Hey, this is Part 64 Guy, and I want to just go over a little safety issue I came across. So, gas fireplaces, great appliances for when you want to have some supplemental heat as well as some nice ambience, but they are appliances, they can break down, and they do need attention paid to them. So take a look at this, and I'll show you what I found. So for those of you who aren't familiar with gas logs, they are similar to a regular fireplace, except that the wood is actually preformed, molded fake pieces that are designed to look like real wood, and then buried underneath is a propane burner. And you can see the ports where the gas comes out and creates the flame. There's a shutoff valve for the supply line. It comes in through the outside. And there's a pilot, which on this unit, which is a manual one, creates a spark when you push the button, and that ignites the gas. That's what's called a thermal pilot, or a thermoelectric device. When it gets hot, it actually generates a voltage, and that voltage is used to trigger the safety valve that controls the flow of gas. If there's no flame at the pilot, that's cool, and it keeps the main valve from turning on. That way it prevents leakage of gas when there's no pilot lit. Now this one's an old one. This one's probably about 17 or 18 years old. It is not electronic, it is manual. There's the turn on valve right there. And then over there is the igniter. So what I noticed is I was using it and I went to turn it off, and I'll show you what I found. As you can see, we've got a problem. There's a leak in the pilot line causing a supplemental flame. We're going to turn off the main supply line. So whatever it is, it was catching something else. So I'm glad I saw this and stopped it, because safe to say this guy is in need of repair. Given his age, I'm probably going to just look at a replacement, because this is not something I want to mess with. I have a suspicion what might be going on here, and I think based on the way this pilot line curves and has a low spot, I suspect that moisture content from the propane over time sat in that low spot and probably degraded the tube, probably rotted it, pipes rust, and I wonder if that's what happened here. Another safety tip: when you have any kind of devices that operate using flames, whether it's oil heat or gas heat, definitely have a carbon monoxide detector. This one actually doubles as carbon monoxide and explosive gas, and I have this located right near the gas logs. So if this were to develop a gas leak, the detector here would detect the presence of explosive gas and sound the alarm before it got to a high enough concentration to cause an explosion. Oh, and neglect the open wall here. This is dealing with that drainage issue I'm still fighting with. That's in another video. As I've said in other videos, know your limits. I know that this particular problem is beyond my limit of what I can do. I'm going to have the company that supplies the propane replace the gas logs with a new unit. We'll go pick out a new one, more up-to-date one, and have them install it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. Please leave a comment below. I read all the comments, and if you have an idea for a project you'd like to see me do, I'll be happy to take a look at it and see what I can do for you. So thank you so much again for watching. This is Part 64 Guy. See you later.